In this video, we will learn how to create a QR code in Excel step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open new Excel sheet and here on the top bar, look for add-ins option. Then search for QR for Office. Click Add. This plugin will be opened automatically on the right side. You can add the content such as URL or text for your QR code. It will automatically generate the QR. You can customize it with color, size, and error correction if you like to. I will keep it simple to insert it in the Excel sheet. Now you can drag it anywhere on the sheet and adjust its size. Click Insert by dragging it from the corner. So it's that easy. I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.